Hey guys, welcome back to Kamar Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back. I really do appreciate you guys for coming back, liking, subscribing, commenting, and leaving links to videos you want me to react to. I really do appreciate it. I may not be like what every other people like or whatnot, but thanks for the ones who stayed and coming back. I really do appreciate it. So today is Sunday, February 28th, and as you guys can see in the background is the group CNCO, and I want to say happy birthday to Joel, one of the group members of CNCO. Today's his birthday today, and one of his fans of the group, mind you, remind me on Instagram, so I want to say thanks to that person as well for the reminder. I really do appreciate it. So in accordance to his birthday, I decided to watch a 2-minute video to Joel from the group CNCO to see what he's gonna be giving me. So this one is recent from their new music video that they just released.
Sin necesidad de hablarse, solo los labios rozarse, Cupido los flechará, que solo por un beso, con ella soy feliz, tan solo con un besito, me llevo al infinito, ni siquiera la conozco bien, tan solo con un besito, me llevo al infinito, y ni siquiera la conozco.
Not really too much Joel in this video. Oh, he needs to do something to that hair. I need something else. Here comes his favorite angle.
Mientras aprendo de esta soledad que desconozco, me vuelvo a preguntar quizás si sobreviviré, porque sin ti me queda la conciencia helada y vacía, porque sin ti me he dado cuenta muy que no renaciré.
His favorite shot. That's his favorite side.
Mi cuerpo, mi mente y mi alma ya no tienen conexión. Ay, yo te juro que lo dejaré.
So that wasn't too much of Joel, but as you guys can see, those huge bits and pieces in there. I want to say happy birthday to you, Joel from the group CNC. I really do wish you the best birthday ever, and what a success from this Deja Vu album. I think you guys did such a good job, and I can't wait for the actual project for your new album. This Deja Vu album, homage to the iconic boy group, based on you guys choosing. I really do like it. So happy birthday, Joel. I really want to say, Joel, happy birthday. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you for watching.